all in all, gonna have a walk around and see what type of wildlife I can get today, or waves. I'm gonna go down the headland. At the moment, I'm at North Gare, near Seaton, and it's blowing a hoolie, as you can probably hear in the background. But I'm gonna have a drive around. I'm gonna have a look and see what we can get. Usually see kestrels and things like that around here. See if I can get some photos. See if I can help any of you out with settings for wildlife photography. So I have my big lens, which is a Sigma contemporary 150 to 600 millimeter. That's attached obviously to my D500. But I'm just going to have a drive down and have a look around, see what there's down there. When I drove up, it basically is usual stuff what's around here. Wigeon, normal ducks, mallards and stuff like that. Some snipe, not snipe, curlew. So I'm going to have a drive down, and just had about 30 starlings fly above us. Okay. But yeah, and let's see if we can find anything there. Take some video, take some photos of. So I'll speak to you soon, boys and girls. Laters. Well, North Gare was alright. Yeah, got some nice photos of Kestrel and a bit of video, which you've probably already seen. Never mind. I'm now at RSPB Saltholme. So I'm going to have a quick walk around here. It's still blowing a gale and the weather does not look good. So I'll have a walk around, see what we can get in here, and then I might call it a day, even though it's only 10 o'clock. But if it's going to be like this all day, the lighting is not exactly brilliant for wildlife. Well, for anything, to be totally honest. The sky's rubbish. You know, it might be alright if there was some nice clouds around, but it's just grey and overcast and horrible. So I'm going to walk around, see if there's anything about. Might do a couple of videos as I'm walking around about the hides and that. But we'll wait and see. Now then, guys, well, that was interesting. Just popped into one of the hides, filled stead. One of the lads was there, and basically there's a Sparrow Hawk. So got some photos of the Sparrow Hawk. Wow, it's windy. I'm going to go through the centre, then I'm going to go to one of the other one of the hides, wildlife watch point. So I'll catch you in a bit. Hopefully we'll get a few more bits and bobs while we're here. Latest. Right, so we're now in the wildlife watch point at RSPB Saltholme, which is on the northeast coast. Just showing you some of the views from it. It's quite nice. It's horrible weather. Well, like I just said, I've just seen a Sparrow Hawk. I've got some photos of that. I'll put them up. I'm going to spend half an hour or so here because apparently there's 4 or 5 Marsh Harriers about. So let's see if we can get some footage of some Marsh Harriers around. video or photos, we'll see. Settings for today, I'm at the lowest f-stop I can get at on my lens, which is a 6.3. ISO I've got as auto, but for max 1600, and then I'm just adjusting my shutter speed to try and get it sorted. Something in flight, flapping its wings, you're usually talking about 1,000 thousandths of a second to get the wing beats frame by frame, or to stop it so it doesn't get no blur on it. But that all depends on more lighting than all else. So anyway guys, I'll keep you informed. I might go for a walkabout in the reserve and we'll see what we can get. Ooh, bonus! Just stop video and use or showing you where I am. And then what popped up? Marsh Harrier. So excellent. Got a Marsh Harrier, Sparrow Hawk, Kestrel, Raptor day today. So anyway, it's going to stick around. I'm going to see if I can get some video footage, although it's going to be on my phone. And we'll go from there if it comes back, because it's vanished. But at least we've got one. So crack on.